I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs today that are 10 to 15 degrees warmer than normal in the 50s, tomorrow our warmest day of the next week with highs in the upper 50s to the mid 60s. The passage of strong low pressure tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night leads to strong southerly winds gusting up to 45. A little light rain may also occur for tomorrow afternoon through Thursday. In behind the Pacific cold front, our daytime highs cooling slightly into the 50s for Thursday, the mid-40s to the low 50s for Friday. Light snow, maybe a rain mix is possible with another wave of low pressure and even cooler air over the weekend. Forecast models keep most of that precipitation over Kansas. Any snow accumulations are likely to be an inch or less. Highs drop back to more seasonal levels in the upper 30s to the mid-40s for the weekend on into Monday. A slightly cooler trend keeps building into the long-term forecast. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures early next week are seasonal to slightly warmer than normal before temperatures trend more seasonal to slightly cooler than normal late next week through February 19th. Near normal to slightly above normal precipitation is indicated for Sunday through February 19th for Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors the markets are watching include more mild weather across the U.S. with several storms, good weather continuing in most of Brazil, and rain chances returning to Argentina. Across the Corn Belt, mild weather continues to reduce coverage of remaining snow. Today's Midwestern highs should range from 45 near the Great Lakes to 60 or higher in parts of Missouri. Midwestern producers are hopeful that drought is a less significant concern heading into spring when compared to last year. The drought monitor shows 28% of the U.S. corn production area is experiencing drought, which is down from 45% a year ago. Active weather continues in the western U.S. with additional flooding possible today as heavy precipitation gradually moves from Southern California into the desert Southwest. Precipitation of varying intensity affects nearly all areas from the Pacific coast to the Rockies, with rain and snow finally ending in much of the West by Friday. Wet snow should blanket the north central U.S. during the mid to late week, with some of the highest totals expected in Montana and North Dakota. Late this week into the weekend, rain returns across the southern U.S. Central Brazil corn and soybean areas can expect scattered rain to continue this week, allowing for a mostly normal pace of soybean harvest and planting second crop corn. Some areas in central Brazil, though, might be a bit too wet. More widespread rain, possibly significant rain, moves into southern Brazil this weekend. Southern Argentina corn and soybean areas expect some rain by tomorrow. Good rain moves into much of Argentina late this week and over the weekend as temperatures cool to more seasonal levels, helping to improve the crop conditions after more than 2 weeks of dry weather and a week of triple-digit heat. Southern Europe is again dry and warm while soil moisture falls for vegetative wheat in Spain and Italy. Precipitation chances move through southern Europe next week to reverse the drier trend. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of the ag weather.